Alright, so we're doing the Black Balsam Knob area this weekend, and the campsite that we went to for our first video is nearby, so we decided to drive up here and see if it was available again, and sure enough it was. We'll take off pretty early to hit up the knobs. It's always gorgeous up there, but I think especially this time of year it should be really nice with the the autumn leaves. If you look around, it's very yellow, very red, orange. So should be a nice time. It's only supposed to get down to, I think, high 20s tonight. Hey Steve, what's the weather supposed to be tonight?
Supposed to be down to 22.
Oh, so I guess it's going to be down to 22 tonight. Fahrenheit, so 10 degrees below freezing. But it shouldn't be a problem. If it's too cold for the hammock, and it might be, I could just sleep in the back of the car. Hey Steve.
Yo.
What's this?
Rooftop tent.
Rooftop tent. You're getting fancy.
Yeah, man.
What kind of tent is it?
It's a Smitty built, the XL rooftop tent. Just a pretty cheap model, but works for what I need.
That's cool. I'm still just rocking the hammock, but hopefully soon enough I'll get one as well. I'm just waiting on my rack for the top of the 4Runner. It's been on back order. Originally it was like 12 weeks back order, and then now it's up to 20. So I don't know, I think there's like another 4 or 5 weeks that I'm waiting for that. But Steve's got his just in time for the end of the season when it's starting to get cold. I guess we'll see how it holds up tonight.
So here's the new camp setup. Got a Smitty built rooftop tent. It's the XL model. Pretty large. There's a little shoe bag, LED light. Also picked up this Blue Eddy 700 watt battery. Power up a heated blanket for the winter.
It's 6:45. It's getting pretty dark. We just got the fire going and setting up the portable stove. Steve called me on the road, said that he didn't have any firewood. I only had one bundle in my car from our last trip. So we were stopping at a bunch of places to try to find some. It took us a while, and then both of us happened to find a place with firewood at the same time. And by the time he texted me to tell me he found some, I was already loading up my car as well. So now we have twice as much as we need. But we'll save it for the next time. It's definitely getting cold. I think you can see our breath now.
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty chilly. We're gonna get chillier. I swear we have burgers almost every time we come out. Either that or brats, but that's camping food, so gotta get that protein for our hike tomorrow. I don't know, I guess something like that. Alright, it's morning. Steven's cooking up breakfast. We've got sausage and egg and some coffee. So we're gonna eat and drink that and then head out to Black Balsam Knob. Steve was the chef this morning, so it's gonna be good.
Getting a little later in the morning, so we're gonna go ahead and make some lunch and then hit the trail. Alright. I'm gonna pee and then we gotta get on the road. Let's do it. Loeb Trail up to Shining Rock. The wind up here is whipping like crazy. What's up?
Alright, we're on the last, I think, couple miles to Shining Rock. There's an easy way that's basically flat all the way if we want to. The other way is up this grassy, I think it's called the Grassy Cove knob. So on camera it doesn't look that big, but yeah, it'll take a little bit of effort.
See ya.
Alright, well, some bad news. So, I guess we'll have to take the easy route. What do you think?
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but we'll go the other way.
Yep. We found snow. We stopped and had lunch at what we thought was Shining Rock. It was definitely a shiny rock, but it wasn't the official Shining Rock. We went up the trail a bit more and found the real spot, which is also a very shiny white rock. But the views aren't as good here, so I'm glad we stopped at the first place and ate lunch there. Alright, it's 3 o'clock, we're gonna head back down. It's about a 3-hour hike, so we should get back by 6. And just have to build a fire and get warmed up.
Make some food.
Yeah, definitely make some food. Sometimes you find a spot that's just perfect for resting. Yeah, so today's our mother's birthday. We're just trying to find a spot with some cell service so we can give her a call, or at the very least send her a text to let her know we'll call later. It's been hard, but we'll find it. So if you're watching this, it's probably a bit past your birthday at this point, but we didn't forget. We're trying to call you.